Apple iPhone 6 Plus Review. Apple should have called it the iPhone 6 Hench because this thing is massive, measuring 6.2 inches long and just over 3 inches across, although it's pretty damn anorexic at just 0.28 inches thick. The device is also exceptionally light, tipping the scales at just 172 grams. For reference, the standard iPhone 6 weighs 129 grams. The iPhone 6 Plus girth means it'll accommodate a huge 5.7-inch, 1,920 x 1,080 pixel Retina HD screen. The iPhone 6 Plus uses an 8-megapixel sensor, like the 5's, although it's now smarter than ever. The iPhone 6 Plus is powered by Apple's second-generation 64-bit processor, which the company claims is its fastest ever. It uses a 20nm fabrication process, so it has 2 billion transistors, nearly twice as many as on the previous generation A7 chip. In theory, that equates to twice as much performance. Of course, in reality that's never going to be the case, but Apple says the new chip delivers 25% or better performance for the CPU and 50% or faster graphics. The iPhone 5's was never a slouch, and this isn't either. You won't detect any perceptible improvement in day-to-day, but we fully expect developers to start creating apps that really take advantage of the extra grunt, particularly Apple's newfangled metal graphics technology, which allows console-quality graphics in games. That extra power doesn't affect the battery life. Apple says the 6 Plus is 50% or more efficient than the 5's, so you get up to 10 hours of browse time over 4G, 14 hours of 3G talk time and 10 days of standby. So far, a full charge has proved sufficient to last us 2 full days of normal use, incorporating web browsing, calling, and texting. One area of note is the fact that the standard iPhone 6 is ultimately a better performer than the 6 Plus. Both use the same processing hardware, but because the 6 Plus's gubbins have to drive a screen with a larger resolution, it has less spare capacity to devote to the software it's running. Expect intensive 3D games to run at slightly higher frame rates on the 6 than the 6 Plus. The 6 Plus managed an average frame rate of 28.49 fps in our relative benchmark tests, while the 6 eclipsed it with an average of 53.62 fps.